Hey, this is Chris with Cycle Source Magazine, Greasing Gears Garage with a new product spotlight. Today's new product spotlight is on the S&S Chrome 2-in-1 Superstreet 50 state exhaust system. These are for softail models from 2018 and up. You can see on the header pipe back here, stainless steel construction. The larger O2 ports, so you can go with the larger O2s or the stock O2 sensors. All of the components of the exhaust system are heat shielded for blueproof design. Even at the crossover, you can see they have this piece here, the high flow catalyst from S&S. Nice piece. There's the trademark logo, the cool tips. This comes complete with all the mounting hardware, everything you need for that. Mounting brackets. They do tell you that motorcycles with mid controls will need a brake pedal kit, so you'll want to look into that. You can check these out in more detail today at DennisKirk.com. You can tell them the guys at Greasing Gears Garage sent you. Until next time, this is Chris with New Product Spotlight.
For more information on the products shown in this video, click on the link in the description box below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe.